My name is Chris Coe. I'm the Vice President of Impact and Strategy at the United Way of Greater Los Angeles. I've been with the United Way over 10 years now, and I started there as we started our housing and homelessness work. Unfortunately, for tens of thousands of people, home for them is a place without walls, or it's a place with walls that they've built. That home is missing key amenities and key features that makes that feel safe, dignified, and useful and usable. And I think a shower is a huge part of that. Reading the submission and reading the idea, the team described this as simple, but I would say it feels anything but simple. I know that in each of those elements, to take what would normally be a trailer and put it into a kit of parts is an incredibly complex process. To bring all of the experience that Gensler has had of creating incredible housing and creating a sense of home in structures and spaces, and how do we bring that to other places that people might not see as home?